Hello everyone, welcome to Electric Vehicle Laboratory, Nitte Meenakshi Institute of Technology, Nitte deemed to be University, Bengaluru campus. Today I am going to explain about cell demonstration kit. Before going into the explanation, first we need to see what and all the equipments the cell demonstration kit has. Okay, this is a cell capacity tester and this is the internal resistance tester, or simply we are going to call it as a IR tester. And here we are having a different cell chemistries and busbars, nickel busbars, copper busbars, and Vruzend cell holders, and this is a cell charging unit. Depending upon the form factor is nothing but depend upon the physical dimensions. Lithium-ion cells are categorized into three categories: cylindrical cells, prismatic cells, and pouch cells. Here we are having 1865O, 2665O cells, or usually we are going to call it as 1865-0, 2665-0. What do you mean by that? Okay, now here we are having the Vernier Caliper. Okay, before, as I mentioned, depending upon the physical dimensions, the cells are categorized. Okay, now first category I am going to consider as a cylindrical cell. Okay, here with the help of Vernier Caliper I am going to measure the dimension of this. Now you can see the diameter of this cell shows 18.28. Okay, here this is considering these sleeves also. Okay, this is a diameter 18 and this height is 65. So 18 diameter, 65 is the length, that O or 0 will be the shape of this cell, that is cylindrical. Similarly, I am having one more cylindrical cell. By physical inspection or physical visualization only, I can see the length is similar, but the diameter is different. So if I check the diameter of this cell, I can say it's 26 or 25.7, 26. So 26 is the diameter, 65 is the length or height, and O or 0 will be the shape of this cell. Okay, now similarly we are having pouch cells. Okay, and we are having prismatic cells. Here you can see, here on the prismatic cells it's written as LFP 1880 124P. Okay, LFP is nothing but the lithium ferrophosphate. 18 is this 18 mm, this one 80, this is 124. So with the help of Vernier Caliper you can see this. Okay, 18 mm. Okay, this is 80 mm. Similarly, this is 124 P prismatic. Fine. Now, before I said this is a cell. Okay, this is a battery. Cell and battery, what is the difference? Battery is nothing but series and parallel combination of cells. Okay, now here I am having a battery pack. Okay, it's having cell holders. Okay, it is spot welded in different combinations. Here the combination is 4s2p. 4 cells are connected in series. Okay, likewise one more leg I am going to call it as, that is 2p, 2 parallel, 4s2p. Total number of cells, cells in series, cells in parallel. It means 4 into 2. Total number of cells are 8. Okay. Now, before constructing this battery pack, first I need to measure the internal resistance of each cell with this IR tester. Okay. If it is more than prescribed value, then I am going to discard that cell. If within the limit, then I am going to use it for in construction of the battery pack. Fine. Now this is what about cell, depend upon form factor, what and all the cell, then how the battery pack is constructed, depend upon the requirement, series and parallel combination. Okay, then how the cell is discharged. Here we are having one more equipment, cell capacity tester. Now here having one more equipment as a cell capacity tester. So this equipment comes with 4 modes: CC mode, CV mode, CP mode, CR mode. Usually the discharge of these cells happens in these type of 4 modes. First one, CC, constant current mode, constant voltage mode, constant power mode, and constant resistance mode. Okay, now you can see here this is in CC mode. Okay, constant current mode. So I need to set current IS, means constant current IS. Now for that, first I need to check this. Okay, now this is in 0.4. I am going to make it as 0.6 ampere. Fine. Now long press, it will come to CC. I want that one in the CC only, and I need to set the time. Okay, so I am going to set the time as 1 minute. Okay, after that long press, it will come to the cutoff voltage. I need to mention the cutoff voltage of this cell. Then long press, coming to this on, we need to make off to on. Then this cell is set a constant voltage 0.6 ampere. It's in the CC mode. It will discharge for 1 minute continuously with 0.6 ampere. Okay, now similarly what will happen here, CC mode is there, so I am setting the current as 0.6 ampere. If CV mode is there, I am going to set voltage, constant voltage. If CP, watts, CR, resistance. So up to 1 minute this cell will discharge continuously 0.6 ampere. Okay, after 1 minute the window will pop up. I will show that one. Now after 1 minute, see, it will show a pop-up window as a complete. Okay, time discharge is 1 minute. It will show the energy, capacity, and timing, time stamp of that when we started. This is what our cell demonstration kit. Here you can see total kit is having different kind of cells depend upon the form factor, battery capacity tester, and charging unit, different bus bars. Overall cell demonstration kit will be helpful to understand the basic of lithium-ion cells used in the electric vehicle. Thank you.